Myself Sohani from class 10th from Kalyan Senior Secondary School.
Myself Komal from class 10th.
This is our project sewage treatment plant which is based on health and cleanliness.
Introduction. Water is essential for life to exist on the earth. During its uses in the industries, domestic uses and many other purposes, water gets contaminated with harmful substances and germs. Our earth is known as the blue planet due to the excess presence of water on it. In view of this, an eco-friendly working model called sewage treatment plant is developed. We can't use wastewater for drinking, cooking, bathing and other purposes, but should not be wasted. It can be clean and made usable. About 71% of our Earth's surface is covered with water. The bacteria present in the sewage cause many waterborne diseases such as cholera and typhoid.
Material required in this model: wooden plywood, cardboard, chart paper, waste plastic boxes, rubber pipe, a DC motor, chlorine tablets, waste paper and stones.
Scientific principle involved. A sewage treatment plant is based on the screening, aeration and sedimentation.
Construction. Firstly, we take a wooden plywood for base, then we take a cardboard and cut it stairs-like structure. Then we paste the chart on it. Then we fix the pipe on waste plastic boxes. Then we paste it series way. Then we make the laboratory and control room with the help of cardboard. Then we paste it on wooden plywood. Then we make the river with the help of waste paper and stones.
Working. A place where wastewater from houses and buildings is brought for processing is known as wastewater treatment plant. It is also known as WWTP or sewage treatment plant. In wastewater treatment plants, water is treated by biologically, chemically and the physically methods. Firstly, the wastewater is passed from sewage treatment plant to the receiving tank. In the receiving tank for the bar screens, the large rubbish like can, napkins, other towels, plastic bags can stop here. This process is known as screaming. Screaming removes the large pieces of the rubbish. We can clean this bar time to time. Then the water is passed to the grit chamber. In the very slow medium, the sand and grit present in this tank can settle down at the bottom of the tank, and we can clean this tank time to time. Then the wastewater is passed to the settling tank. In this tank, many inorganic impurities which present in the water can settle down at the bottom, and the water is much clarified. Then the water is passed to the first sedimentation tank. In this tank, most of the organic matter present in the sewage in the form of sludge. Sludge is a solid part of the sewage. In this tank, we can separate the solid sludge and water. We can put out the sludge into the closed and large called digester tank. In the digester tank, many type of anaerobic bacteria can activate to the sludge to produce biogas. Biogas is produced here as fuel and to generate electricity. And the water left in the primary sedimentation tank has some insoluble impurities which cannot settle down at the bottom of the tank, which is oil and the grease is cleaned by the skimmer. Then the only watery waste is passed to the aeration tank. In this tank, aerobic bacteria can activate through the compressed air and the bubbles. Aerobic bacteria can kill the human waste, animal waste, fruit waste and other soap particles. Then the water is passed to the second sedimentation tank. In this tank, the aerobic bacteria also comes in this and settle down at the bottom of the tank and form a fine sludge called activated sludge. It is called activated sludge because aerobic bacteria and the oxygen is present in it. Then we add some fine sludge to the aeration tank to increase the population of the aerobic bacteria in it, and remaining fine sludge is added to the digester tank to produce biogas. Then in this tank, the water is still clarified. If the water is not muchly clarified, we then pass to the chlorination tank and we add chlorine tablets in it. After it, we send the water to the laboratory to check out the pH and BOD of the water, pH value of the water. After all processes, we send the water in the distribution chamber and the water discharged into the rivers. The two useful products are provided by the sewage treatment plant are firstly the biogas, which is used as a fuel and to generate electricity, and sludge, which is used as a manure to provide a nutrient of the crop.
Advantages. It is an eco-friendly machine. It is used for cleaning water. We reuse the water. The two products are manure and biogas are reproduced. It is low cost and portable. Our effort is do waste to best.